Welcome to MFX Center's 2-Minute Trading School, where 2 minutes a week can change your trading life. Before progressing further, let's look at the disclaimer. Today we are going to talk about the common mistakes in trading. The 4 most common mistakes that traders does is highlighted over here. The number 1 is unrealistic expectation. This is the most hidden mistake that no one talks about. The second mistake that traders does is FOMO and FOJI. FOMO stands for fear of missing out, and FOJI stands for fear of going in. The third mistake that traders does is revenge trading. And the fourth, last but not the least, is overconfident gambling. So how unrealistic expectation phase starts? First of all, traders always tries to calculate the profits first. They don't think about the risk, they don't think about the losses they may occur, and they just think about the profits. Then they always think about compounding the profits only. They don't look at how the losses can be compounded as well. Then they also get convinced by the scammers that they can be rich overnight. And for that, they take bigger risk. And as an end result, they lose all their invested capital and also the savings. The second mistake that they do is being more aggressive and more conservative. By being more aggressive, they fall into the FOMO category. They calculate every pips to gain, they think of only growth of the capital, and they think of making most of the market from every move that market makes. And on the other hand, on the conservative side, that is fear of going inside, the trader calculates every pips they can lose. He is always negative, he is thinking about the losses, he is not thinking about the positive risk-reward ratio he can get. He is always thinking about having the right time to enter the market, and he is always looking for more and more confirmation, which sometimes never comes. And the third mistake is revenge trading. It is one of the most familiar mistakes. When a trader loses trades consistently, he tries to take revenge from the market. And in this case, 90% of the times, revenge traders blow up their account. And for the 10%, they sometimes can get or gain or regain their lost capital. The fourth one, last but not the least, is overconfident gambling. After consistent wins, a trader gets overconfident, and when he shares his screenshot of profit in the social media, he gets praised. And for that, he has some kind of overconfident self-talk, and he thinks that he knows everything about the market. And he takes bigger risk, and at the end of the day, he loses all his profits as well as the capital. So yes, mistakes are pillars of success, but you need to understand what mistakes you did, and you need to learn from them. For learning more about the market, you just need to subscribe to MFX Center's YouTube channel, as we provide more videos every week. Just click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you get notified about our new videos every week. So till then, see you again next week. Thank you for watching our video.